One of the most common causes of failure and reduction in performance in a standby generator is insufficient attention paid to a system's diesel fuel supply. Many people do not realize that diesel left standing for extended periods degrades substantially to the point of becoming totally useless. Standby power systems are particularly susceptible to diesel fuel issues because their fuel source is left standing for several months, exposing it to all the factors that degrade diesel. Diesel is particularly susceptible to denigration by water condensing on exposed inside surfaces of less than full tanks. Water not only ends up diluting the fuel, but also promotes algae growth to further degrade the fuel and increase sediment accumulation in the base that can be sucked into the engine's fuel delivery system. If nothing else, a diesel fuel tank should be kept full. Your authorized Kohler distributor is very aware of diesel fuel-related issues and have developed a 4-step fuel maintenance program to prevent them. Step 1 is fuel top-off. Keeping your tank topped off will minimize water condensation on exposed surfaces within the tank. Scheduling fuel top-off as part of your planned maintenance schedule eliminates the requirements for fuel drop-offs from another vendor. Our service trucks can supply up to 100 gallons of fuel for each visit. Step 2 is to treat your diesel so that it's maintained in top condition. Good diesel quality avoids performance problems and the need to replace hundreds, if not thousands, of gallons of fuel. Fuel treatment covers the full spectrum of potential issues harmful to diesel and will prevent microorganism growth, prevent gelling, boost cetane levels, and stabilize the diesel. Additional benefits from treatment are added lubrication to the fuel and dispersion of any contaminants. Step 3 is fuel testing. During our service call, we'll sample the fuel to check for water contamination and any bottom sediment. The sample we take will also check the gel, flash, and cloud points. Checking will verify distillation and cetane levels, and our method meets ASTM standards laid down to comply with annual fuel testing as required by the NFPA. Step 4 is the solution to fuel issues found during fuel testing. Our fuel polishing equipment removes any water and sediment from the tank. Filters within the equipment remove contaminants and strain water, with the fuel being shock treated. Step 4 is an economical and earth-friendly alternative to replacing fuel. All of your fuel will be recycled with no loss of product. So remember these 4 steps to ensure your fuel is up to par and ready to deliver full engine performance. A full tank is best. Use steps 1 and 2, top off and treatment, to prevent deterioration of your diesel and to maintain it in good condition. Use steps 3 and 4 to check for fuel deterioration and correction should it be required. A standby power system cannot do its job without good fuel maintenance.